say it's late 4 or 5 p.m. Let me say 4:44. Yeah, come on, 4:44. Yeah, like that. p.m. here in Canada, and it's getting dark. It's getting dark, and I'm a bit tipsy right now after drinking 1 glass of beer. What the heck? It's still like moving, like the world is shaking right now, but it's cool. I can still see the beauty of Canada, Toronto, Canada. That's awesome. It's really cold right now, to be honest. It's still FedEx here. The FedEx driver is over there. You gonna send that to Tommy?
Yeah.
Of course, I know. I know.
Look at that Mercedes.
Oh, that's beauty.
That's
Yeah.
S63 coupe.
Uh-huh.
Bi-turbo, means 2 turbos, super fast.
Yeah? Like how many kph?
You can probably go up to 320.
Dang.
AMG, see?
That's my favorite car back
Look at that,
in the Philippines. Back
No,
in.
the one in the Philippines is SLK 250 or something.
Oh my gosh.
Tiny girl car. It's made for dogs. Little puppies.
Oh my gosh, you're bad. I like it here.
Here.
Yeah. That's the car earlier. Turn around.
Right, huh?
Oh, we are in Queens Bay West.
It's our turn. Let's go. Come on, Josh. Carla.
Can we go?
Push me lang. Uh-oh.
Oh, what's that? We should go there.
Here.
Yeah. We should go there. Oh, it's so nice. What's that?
I love this camera. Oh my god, this camera is so amazing.
I know, right? I'm not gonna sell it. I'm sorry.
Yeah, don't sell it. Don't be bastos. My gift to you. Alam.
I'm still gonna upgrade my phone next year when I have stable phone. So look at them. Look at them.
That right there is a train, or like a local transportation. Love, the amount of foreign voices I hear here is insane. Like it's so hard to find a Canadian white person here.
Like I'm really sleepy and dizzy at the same time.
Yet she's excited and walking fast. She's hungry.
It's cold.
You hungry?
Not really.
Yes, you are. Good. Glad you're hungry. Me too.
Not really, because
Okay, that's fine. I'll just eat. So, no problem.
No, but I
Save money, live better, Vanya.
just like drink like 1 glass.
Look at you. Relax. Don't hit the concrete.
I'm a bit cold.
What the fuck?
Cool again. Cool as well. Yes, I said I'm
Look, the way you walk is like so. You're like an alcoholic. Like, and your hand gestures is like, Gabi. She's in denial.
We're like in BGC.
She can't speak right.
Right?
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna travel 30 minutes pa. So
30 minutes? To where?
Go back to Union Bay.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're gonna go back to...
I gotta get you more beer. It's so fun hearing you talk.
So you're not gonna get me weed?
Weed, beer.
Diba, I'm always drinking liquor and I'm not this like this in tipsy, but that
Are they gonna drink tonight as well?
That's yeah.
Oh yes. I wanna get so fucked up.
That beer, that's the only beer that I drink that like even like it's not yet half, and I feel like the ceiling is moving already. Like, what the heck? I drink Corona most of the time.
Yeah.
I drink other beer, but it's not like this one. Yeah, the guy's right. That's one of the best of a kind. I don't know what.
Yes, it is.
Can't even. Oh my gosh. Good thing it's cold because I'm like, I'm still awake. It's waking me up, the coldness.
Alright, so we're actually like 2 minutes from the place right now.
But I don't want to walk back to the place.
You'll be alright. I'll ask for more beer at the Indian place.
Oh my
I'll be like,
gosh.
alright,
No.
feed her up. Load her up.
We will be having a party at home too.
Oh yeah, they're gonna know for sure you're ready. Like, wow, Miley, it's not even your birthday yet. You're already fucked up. You gotta be. Here's more cognac for you. Oh, Red Horse, drink this.
You're bad. You're making me drunk.
Oh, I love you. You're so funny. You're so funny. You know that. Oh, look.
I don't know.
Fuck.
What? Listen, Harbour Cafe.
Yep.
Harbour. Where's my accent? It's gone.
Where did they go? Uh-oh. The accent potion just wore off.
Are we still far?
Magic
Are we there
potion.
yet?
We are almost there.
I'm so busy right now. Look at that.
Uh-huh.
This hotel, right?
Uh-oh.
Right?
Yeah. Western Harbor Castle.
It's everywhere.
Oh, yeah, Tim Hortons. Yeah, it's Canadian. It's kind of a...
It's everywhere.
It's a well-known thing. My roti place.
I look at here and there.
Right here,
and
love.
there. What?
My roti place, yeah. Oh.
Okay. Let's find out.